Audi Q7, 4 liters, 2005-15. The Q7, internally designated Type 4 liters, utilizes a modified version of the Volkswagen Group PL71 platform. Previewed by the Audi Pikes Peak Quattro concept car, the Q7 is designed more for on-road use, and was not meant for serious off-road use where a transfer case is needed. In an off-road test through the Australian outback, it fared well for a soft roader. Although it lacks a low-range transfer case, it has Quattro permanent four-wheel drive system with a central locking differential, and a self-leveling air suspension with continuous damping control, called adaptive air suspension, which helps in off-road situations. Development began in 2002 under the code 0716, primarily focused on the Pikes Peak concept. Design work was frozen for the concept in July 2002, for presentation at the North American International Auto Show in January 2003. Following the introduction of the concept, full-scale development began on Type 4 liters of the PL71 platform. The production design was frozen in late 2003, for a late 2005 start of production. Prototypes went into testing in 2004, with development concluding in the first half of 2005. It introduced the world's only series production passenger car V12 TDI diesel engine. While the Q7 has been the flagship SUV in Audi's product portfolio, a top-of-the-line Q model, called the Audi Q8, was released for sale in 2018. It debuted in its concept form at the 2017 Detroit Auto Show. Despite its multiple airbags and safety electronics, such as Electronic Stability Program, ESP, the Q7 scored only 4 stars out of 5, 5 stars, in the Euro NCAP crash test for adult occupant protection. 11, according to Audi, this was caused by a design error, and has since been fixed in cars manufactured after the test, which should allegedly lead to 5 stars. Official tests to prove this remain to be done as of March 2009. However, in the United States, the Q7 received 5 out of 5 stars, 5 stars, from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, safety test for both front and side impacts. Citation needed. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety awarded the Q7 its top safety pick 2009. With good ratings in all 14 measured categories of the front and side impact test. The 2015 Q7 has a rollover risk of 18.5%. The Q7 Hybrid is a concept vehicle using the engine from the 4.2 FSI with an electric motor to provide 200 Nm, 148 pounds-feet, extra torque, and nickel metal hydride battery. It has 0 to 100 km per hour. 62 miles per hour, acceleration time of 6.8 seconds. The vehicle weighs 2,410 kilograms, 5,313 pounds, 140 kilograms, 309 pounds, heavier than the petrol counterpart. The vehicle was unveiled at the 2005 Frankfurt Motor Show. Audi reportedly was going to introduce a hybrid version of the Q7 sometime in the future. However, the low US dollar caused Audi to drop the plans for the US market, but stated limited quantities would be available for the commercial market. Audi's research and development chief, Michael Dick, later announced Q7 Hybrid would be produced in limited numbers for test purposes only, and that development work would focus on a more advanced lithium-ion battery-based hybrid system for the Q5. The Q7 3.0 TDI Clean Diesel is a version of the 3.0 V6 TDI with selective catalytic reduction. The engine was later used in the next generation of the Q7 for the European market. The 3.0-liter TDI S-Line can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour, 97 kilometers per hour, in 8.4 seconds and has a top speed of 134 miles per hour. 215.7 km per hour. US models of the 2009 Audi Q7 TDI Premium went on sale in 2009-04 with a base MSRP of $50,900, excluding a destination charge of $825, taxes, title or dealer charges. The V12 TDI engine was based on the diesel technology from Audi R10 TDI race car, though both engines are completely unrelated. The bore, stroke, angle of the blocks are different and they do not share a single component. The only 12-cylinder diesel engine used in any passenger car, it was rated at 500 PS, 368 kilowatts, 493 horsepower, and 1000 Nm, 738 pounds-feet, of torque. This gives the vehicle a 0 to 100 km per hour, 62 miles per hour, acceleration time of 5.5 seconds. The Q7 V12 TDI is, according to Audi, the best handling Q7 due to a revised suspension, tires and brakes. Audi claims the Q7 V12 TDI can handle a lateral acceleration of over 9 grams on a 300-foot, 91 meters, skid pad. The concept vehicle originally appeared at the 2006 Paris Motor Show. Audi had announced V12 diesel version for the US market using diesel emission treatment technology jointly developed with Volkswagen and Mercedes-Benz under the label Blue Tech. Audi cancelled the plan to federalize the Q7 V12 TDI for the US market due in part to the global financial crisis of 2008. This V12 version is no longer available for the model year 2013 in anticipation of the cosmetic and mechanical update of Q7 for 2014. The auto listing websites, Mobile.de and Autosk24.de, have shown the 2012 model year availability of V12 version. The Audi Q7 Coastline is a concept version of the Q7 V12 TDI that features an Inuit white interior with wood decoration. The design theme was inspired by luxury yachts. In early 2005, Nissan North America Incorporated filed a lawsuit against Audi over the use of the letter Q as a model name. Audi is using the Q for the designation of their Quattro four-wheel drive system, used in production cars for over 25 years. Audi's Quattro trademark is actually an umbrella term for several types of four-wheel drive systems developed by Torsen, Haldex Traction AB, and BorgWarner, the latter being used in the Q7. Nissan's Infiniti marque had been using Q as the name for passenger cars, the Q50, and QX for SUVs, the QX50 and QX70, since 2013. A settlement between Audi AG and Nissan was reached in late 2006. The agreement stipulates that Audi will only use the Q prefix for 3 models, the Q3, Q5 and the Q7. Facelift, 2010 to 2015. Exterior changes include new front and rear lights which better incorporate LED lighting with optional LED turn signals and daytime running lights, new wheel designs, chrome accents, 4 new paint colors, and updated body styling in the front and rear. A redesigned interior includes a new instrument cluster, new leather seating, ambient door lighting, new interior color choices, new trim, and the 3rd generation MMI control system. Per Popular Mechanics October 1, 2009. At 72.5 miles per hour with a RPM of 2,200 to 2,500, the sweet spot of the top 6th gear, the car achieved a 29.6 mpg of diesel. The 8-speed transmission, available 2011 and later, was 11 to 14% more fuel efficient than the previous 6-speed transmission, available since 2009 to 2010 model year, in US models. Q7 2011. A brand new facelift brought optional LED headlights, an 8-speed transmission, start-stop fuel-saving technology, CO2 rating reduced to 195 grams/km, and a wraparound tailgate design. Also more flat and metallic colors became available and 21-inch titanium effect wheels became an optional extra. Certain models now achieved upwards of 37 mpg IMP. New engines include 2 3.0 supercharged engines. One of the supercharged engines puts out 272 horsepower, 203 kilowatts, and 295 pounds-feet, 400 Nm, of torque. The other engine, which is found on the S-Line Prestige Q7, puts out 333 horsepower, 248 kilowatts, and 325 pounds-feet, 441 Nm, of torque and is the twin of the engine found in the S4 and S5 cabrios. These engines replaced both the 3.6 and 4.2 liters gasoline engines. Both engines have the same fuel economy. Q7 2012. Audi has added their new Audi Connect to the MMI system, which adds internet-driven POI search, via user input or via the voice control system, as well as access to online services delivering local fuel prices, news, weather and other information. Audi Connect also offers in-car Wi-Fi connectivity for up to 8 devices. 2012 was the last model year for the V12 version. US models. The vehicles were introduced in 2006 as 2007 models. Available models include 3.6 FSI Quattro and 4.2 FSI Quattro. Changes include standard LED taillights with available LED turn signals and daytime running lights and serious traffic system. The production version went on sale in September 2006. For 2011, the 3.6 FSI and 4.2 FSI engines were replaced by two 3.0 liters TFSI supercharged engines. The base version develops 272 horsepower, 203 kilowatts, 280 horsepower, 209 kilowatts, for 2012, and 295 pounds-feet, 400 Nm, of torque, while the S-Line has 333 horsepower, 248 kilowatts, and 325 pounds-feet, 441 Nm, of torque. The V12 diesel engine is not available in the United States.